Hi, this is Debbie. Debbie from Tupperware by Debbie. And with the pandemic and all the things going on, there's a lot of things we have to buy in bulk. And one of the things is zucchini. And you go to Costco, you have to buy a whole bunch of zucchini. So instead of doing a whole bunch of prep tonight, I'm just going to show you how I prep my zucchini when I get home, how I use the spiralizer. So this is the spiralizer. This is the base. So if you have the base already, you can just order the spiralizer attachment. If not, you need to buy both of them. But this is very easy to put together. This goes onto the base, and then it attaches to the table. So you can almost lift, you could lift the whole table up if you wanted to with this. That's how strong it is. And then this goes in, be careful of the prongs. This goes in like that. The handle's usually not attached, so you'd attach the handle. Just screws right in. And then there's 3 different attachments. This is a thinner noodle, a thicker noodle. This is the squirrely one. And this one is the thinner zucchini noodle, and that's the one I usually cook, like shrimp with zucchini and dishes like that. These 2 prongs go right here, and it clicks right in, really easy. And I'm gonna put it right into the Fridge Smart, because the Fridge Smart will keep it fresh longer. And that's what's so good about the Fridge Smart and buying your vegetables in bulk. So for a zucchini, it has to stay open. So you'll see over here it says to leave it open, and on the top you just match it which way it says. Or is it closed all the way? That one's closed all the way. So zucchini goes closed all the way. So I just put it right under here, and I'm gonna put the zucchini on. Again, be careful because there's a lot of spikes and stuff. So you just push this in, lock it. That's it. It's super easy to use, super easy to make zucchini noodles, so you can have fresh zucchini and you don't have to pay all that money for somebody to make zucchini noodles for you. You can just do it yourself. And it's so simple. And what happens is when you get to the end, it clicks and opens. And then you'll have this little piece. And you can save that piece and put it in the freezer and use it for soups and different things that you want to stir fry. You don't want to waste anything. And lock it in. I'm just doing two of the zucchinis, but it comes in like a pack of 5. But you see how easy it is. I just get this ready, and then when I'm ready for dinner, I don't have to do this. It's already done. So for a couple nights, we'll have fresh zucchini noodles. They call them Zoodles, with shrimp and whatever else you want to have them with. So super simple. Doesn't take a lot of time, saves you a lot of money. I don't know how much zucchini noodles cost, because I don't buy. I gotta lock it. I don't know how much zucchini noodles cost because I don't buy zucchini noodles, but I'm sure it's more expensive than a 5-pack of zucchini from Costco. You can do this into a bowl if you want, but since I'm going to be storing it in the Fridge Smart anyway, I just leave it in. It's easier. How easy is that? Lock it. Just make zucchini noodles. Shrimp, garlic, some little bit of olive oil, and you have a great health, what do you call that? Lean and green meal with zoodles, shrimp, and some spices, whatever spices you like. That's it. I am done prepping. I will put it, and then I'll put it all the way closed so that it lasts longer in the refrigerator. Okay, thank you.